Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, you're going to learn how to create a custom banner for your Google Classroom. Let me share my screen with you. To get started, I'm going to work in Google Drive, and with the New button, I'm going to hover over More and select Google Drawings. I've got one open up here. Next step is to go to the File menu and change the page setup. Instead of the standard setting, you're going to go to Custom, change it to Pixels, and this will be 1600 pixels by 400 pixels. That will change the canvas you're working on. I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to call it Mr. Leo's class. I'm going to select the fonts, make it much larger, center it, and center it vertically as well. I'm also going to insert a picture. Just drag and drop that into place. And we'll resize it. I just want to reorder it as well. I want to send that to the back in case there's any text on top and align it just so. When I'm all set, I can click File and Download as a JPEG. Back in Google Classroom, we're going to upload a photo. You can simply drag and drop. And now I have a new custom banner for my class. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this useful.